Did you know that previously copied content in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is actually saved, and you can enter it and paste it again? So in this tutorial, I'd like to share with you how to enter previously copied content. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, we will open the notes. And I will copy a lot of things, right? So because the rule basically is that your device will store the latest thing. So let me copy this one, this photo. Let me copy also this one. Let me copy the text, the whole text, for example. Tap on copy. All right, and maybe that's all. The latest option should be available to paste it, right? So if I will tap on the section where I want to paste it, it will appear right here. However, I've just told you that there is also the history. And to enter it, we need to open the Edge panel, which is right here. You should have it active by default, but if not, no worries, just go to the settings right here. We have to scroll and find the display. Scroll down again and localize the edge panels. So make sure that it is turned on, enter edge panels and enter panels. Because by default, you will have only apps applied. You need also to turn on the clipboard. You will find it somewhere here. So just swipe, find the clipboard and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. All right, so we just turned on the clipboard. So let's open the edge panel. Oh, sorry. Open the edge panel, swipe, and as you can see here, we've got the clipboard history. And you remember that that was the last thing I've copied. However, under it, we've got everything I've copied before. So the photo and the puppy. So this is how it works. And of course, you can also paste each of those photos. And all you need to do that is to just tap on, for example, tap on copy and tap here, and it will be immediately copied. If you'd like to check more options that you can do in this Edge panel clipboard, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. I've just recorded it, how to use the clipboard in Edge panel, where I describe different methods of how to copy, what you can do with all of that stuff. So highly recommend that. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.